Hello friends, I am going to tell you how to create straight through Ethernet cables using connector and crimping tool. Here is a rj-45 connector. We can see this connector. And this one is the crimping tool. Next, now this is a category 6 cable. We firstly separate these 8 cables, that is these cables. Now we will arrange these all 8 cables within a specific code. That code is the color sequence. Now let us create the color sequence. First is orange and white, then orange, orange and white, orange, then green and white, then dark blue, then blue and white, then dark green, then brown and white, and then brown. In this way we will get the sequence. Now after getting the sequence, we will straighten this 8 cables. Hold the crimping tool and cut those cables. After cutting this cable, we will get something like this. Now insert a rj-45 connector into it such that the hook will be downside. Then check whether the wires are properly inserted or not. After checking this, trim the cable. In this way, the cable is ready to use.